Hello, fuckers. Do you want to find your safe place? Yeah, you're feeling a little crazy right now, maybe a little anxious. Well, let's find your safe place. Come over. Come, get the fuck over here. Stay here. And if I just offended you, anything I said, leave. Get out of here. Not for you. If you're still here with me, much love to you. Welcome. Take a seat or lie down. Let's find our safe place here. So close your eyes. Shut the fuck up. Relax your fucking face and just breathe. That's it. Natural breath, nothing to do or control. Just breathe. Quit overthinking it. All you have to do is breathe. And you start to relax. You start to let go as you breathe and as you listen to the sound of my voice. Feeling deep relaxation now all over your body. Body feels heavier and heavier, more and more relaxed. That's right. And in just a moment, I wonder if you can think of a safe place. Maybe it's a time in your childhood or a recent time, or maybe you make it the fuck up. Maybe it's make-believe. One person I know, her safe place is on the beach with her feet in the sand as she's looking out into the horizon as the sun's starting to set. Another person's safe place I know is on their favorite hiking trail. I wonder where your safe place is. And in just a moment, I want you to think of your safe place, first thing that comes to your mind. And again, maybe you make this shit up. Now, go to your safe place. Where are you? Who are you with? See it, feel it, right here, right now. That's right. And now allow that picture to fade away of your safe place, but stay with the feeling. Where in your body do you feel this safe energy? There's a place in your body you feel this safe energy. Pinpoint exactly where it is. Some people feel it in their heart space, or their throat, or their stomach, or the top of your head. Where do you feel this safe place in your body? And once you know exactly where you feel it, you may start to see a color. You may start to see a color coming from this place in your body, this safe energy. It could be one color, it could be multiple colors. It could even have polka dots. Some people don't see a color at all, and that's okay. Stay with the feeling. But if you were to see a color, what color would it be? And now allow this color, this safe energy, to start to float out of your body, over your head. This color, this safety floats out of your body, over your head. And like a cloud, it starts to expand all throughout your room, from wall to wall, floor to ceiling. This safe energy, this color, starts to surround you, fills up your entire room, and starts to rain down on you. Fills up every single muscle fiber, every single cell in your body, full of this safe energy. Feel it in your body. Feel the sensations. Some people feel a tingling up and down their spine. Others feel warmth, heat. Some people start to sweat. Feel this safe energy all throughout your body. That's right. And as you feel this safe energy, saying silently to yourself, I am so fucking loved. I am so fucking loved. That's right. And take this feeling with you all throughout your day. Boom.